The Destroyer Caterpillar machine is an advanced, versatile piece of heavy-duty equipment specifically designed for the toughest forestry tasks. It operates with an exceptionally powerful engine that ensures smooth, reliable performance in even the most challenging forestry environments. This machine is optimized for selective tree cutting as well as complete tree felling, making it indispensable for forest management operations. Its high-tech features include a large, flexible crane arm that offers unmatched maneuverability, allowing it to navigate dense and rugged forest terrain with ease. This flexibility increases its operational efficiency, enabling forestry teams to handle a wide range of activities, from tree removal to preparing logs for subsequent processing. A key advantage of the Destroyer Caterpillar machine is its ability to operate effectively under harsh environmental conditions. Whether the surrounding terrain consists of thick, dense forests or open spaces, this machine adapts seamlessly, ensuring that every operation is performed quickly and with maximum efficiency. It's designed to thrive in rugged environments where other machines may struggle, allowing forestry teams to complete tasks on time, no matter the challenges. The 80-horsepower chainsaw attached to the Destroyer Caterpillar machine is another integral tool designed to make forestry operations more efficient. This heavy-duty chainsaw can fell even the largest, most mature trees with incredible speed and precision. Its advanced engine allows for rapid, consistent cutting, reducing downtime and improving workflow. The chainsaw's design is compact, but its performance is formidable, making it highly effective in both large and small-scale forestry operations. Them will grow into perfect specimens with symmetrical, thick legs and the signature deep pink skin. The entire process takes over a year, and out of hundreds of chicks, only a handful will develop the ideal features. Once grown, dragon chickens are carefully selected and processed, with their legs being the most prized feature. These legs have a thick, rough texture, and many are marinated or slow-braised before being served in premium restaurants or sold to high-end customers. The legs are often the star of the dish, symbolizing wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. In Vietnam, dragon chickens are not just a culinary delicacy but also a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, often appearing at Lunar New Year celebrations, weddings, and other special events. This rare breed continues to capture the imaginations of those lucky enough to experience its exceptional flavor and remarkable appearance. It's designed for high efficiency, ensuring that operators can process wood faster and more effectively while maintaining high-quality output. The Vermeer SC60TX grinder is specifically designed for stump grinding. With its powerful engine, this machine can grind down the toughest tree stumps, breaking them into smaller, manageable pieces.
The SC60TX grinder can be operated remotely or manually through an onboard control panel, offering flexibility and ease of use. This makes it an ideal choice for operations in challenging environments, providing operators with a convenient and efficient solution for stump removal. For firewood processing, the Binderberger 2010 wood processor is an invaluable asset. Its advanced engine allows it to quickly process large logs, reducing the time needed for firewood production. Powered by a 5,100 horsepower engine, it can easily crush stumps, reducing them to usable material for wood processing. The machine's cutting blades are extremely sharp and durable, allowing it to slice through thick, tough wood quickly. The AHWM 650 provides high efficiency and speed, making it an essential tool for land clearing and forest regeneration projects where rapid stump removal is necessary to prepare land for replanting. In particularly challenging environments such as swamps or muddy terrains, the Ural timber truck stands out. This machine is designed with deep tread tires to provide superior traction, ensuring that the truck can maneuver through slippery, unstable ground without losing grip. This innovative design ensures that wood is processed uniformly, optimizing the workflow and producing high-quality products. It reduces waste and improves productivity, making it an excellent choice for companies looking to maximize their wood processing operations. In the snow-covered forests, the Volvo FMX 6x6, driven by a 540 horsepower engine, is a reliable timber transport vehicle. Its rugged design and flexible mobility make it capable of moving wood efficiently over snow-covered, rocky terrains. This versatility ensures that timber can be transported quickly, even in the harshest winter conditions. The Baron machine planer, powered by a 15 horsepower engine, is designed to smooth wood surfaces with remarkable precision. It reduces the time and effort required to achieve a polished, smooth finish, making it an essential tool for woodworkers, furniture makers, and timber processors. The Super Splitter, equipped with an 80 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine, is ideal for high-speed wood splitting tasks. Its cutting capabilities are vital for processing massive logs, breaking down large trees into manageable pieces for further processing. The Kenworth T904 truck is another critical component of the forestry operation. Powered by a 600 horsepower engine, this heavy-duty truck is capable of transporting up to 220,000 pounds of timber. With a total weight capacity of 308,000 pounds, it is one of the most robust vehicles available for timber transport.
This truck is specifically built to withstand the most demanding terrains, including steep inclines, muddy roads, and rugged landscapes. Its durability ensures that it can continue to perform at high levels, delivering large quantities of timber over long distances with speed and reliability. Moving on to stump removal, the AHWM 650 stump crusher is designed to tackle even the toughest stump removal jobs. This oil has a wide range of uses, from cosmetics and skin care treatments to therapeutic uses for conditions like joint pain, arthritis, and various skin ailments. Emu leather is also highly valued, especially in the fashion industry, for its durability and unique texture. Additionally, emu feathers are used for decorative purposes or even in industrial applications, such as dusters or filtration materials. Now, let's look at another fascinating animal, the dong toe chicken, also known as the dragon chicken. This breed from Vietnam is famous for its massive, dragon-like legs, which are unlike anything seen in a typical chicken. The legs are so thick and muscular that they resemble human forearms, and this breed is often described as having the appearance of a mythical dragon. Fully grown roosters can weigh over 4.5 kilograms, while hens typically weigh around 3.5 kilograms. The legs of the dragon chicken are so large and unique that some of the largest specimens have been preserved in alcohol, with each leg weighing up to 1 kilogram. Once considered a royal delicacy, the dragon chicken is now a rare and luxurious item. A well-bred dragon chicken can sell for as much as $22,000 due to its rarity and distinctive features. The secret to their unusual appearance lies in a fascinating biological process. Growth hormones cause the skin on the legs to produce continuous layers of collagen and keratin, which results in thick, rough, and scaly skin, resembling that of a dragon. However, genetics alone doesn't account for the dragon-like legs. Farmers feed these chickens a special diet that supports the development of bone and muscle growth. It can handle large volumes of firewood production, significantly increasing productivity and reducing the time required for splitting logs. In the plywood production process, high-quality wood undergoes several critical stages: cutting, softening, gluing, and pressing under high pressure. The final product is meticulously trimmed, sanded, and inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards before being shipped for market delivery. The high-speed lathe system and veneer peeling line are essential in the plywood manufacturing process, providing fast, precise operations that minimize production time while maximizing quality and output. Finally, advanced wood processing techniques using industrial machinery enable the transformation of raw logs into high-quality wood chips. These machines are optimized for high speed and precision, enhancing productivity in large-scale timber operations. The Elite Firewood Processor, powered by a 91 horsepower turbo diesel cat engine and equipped with a 44-inch Simon circular saw blade, is the most powerful machine for large-scale firewood production. Its 20-foot folding rotating conveyor ensures high efficiency, delivering outstanding performance in firewood production for commercial or industrial use. This system is ideal for large operations where speed, power, and efficiency are paramount. It can handle large volumes of firewood production, significantly increasing productivity and reducing the time required for splitting logs. In the plywood production process, high quality wood undergoes several critical stages: cutting, softening, gluing, and pressing under high pressure. The final product is meticulously trimmed, sanded, and inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards before being shipped for market delivery. The high-speed lathe system and veneer peeling line are essential in the plywood manufacturing process, providing fast, precise operations that minimize production time while maximizing quality and output. Finally, advanced wood processing techniques using industrial machinery enable the transformation of raw logs into high-quality wood chips. Soybean and fish meal help to develop strong muscles and feathers, while calcium ensures strong bones and supports egg production. Emus also enjoy bathing and soaking in water, which is particularly important for regulating their body temperature during the hot Australian summer months. Although their thick feathers provide insulation, soaking in water helps to keep them cool and comfortable. Emu meat is harvested between 12 and 18 months of age. Before processing, emus are usually fasted for 24 hours, ensuring a clean digestive system. Their meat is prized for being lean, high in protein, and low in cholesterol, making it a popular alternative to beef. One of the most valuable byproducts of emus is emu oil, which is extracted from the fat beneath their skin.